Okay, so this is our last activity for today. We are going to do Schoology practice number 3, and we're going to practice navigating again. So again, starting from when you first log in to Schoology, you're going to click on Courses, Science 7, Unit 1, Week 1, and then now we're doing Schoology Skills 3. We're going to click on that, and hopefully you remember from yesterday, this is a Google Doc assignment. So at this point, if you feel pretty comfortable, go ahead and turn off the video and just go ahead and get to work. If you need a little refresher, let's go ahead and work through it. So Schoology Skills 3. So last one for today, we'll do an assignment with a Google Doc attached. We'll complete the Google Doc and then submit it. So we're going to go here and click on My Document. And this is Atticus. He's got to connect. And we need to choose Atticus. And allow. So just follow those steps if it says you're not connected to Google Drive. And now you can see Atticus has his document ready to go. So what are 3 important things I should know about Atticus? I'm a lawyer. I have 2 kids, Scout and Jem, and I won't shoot at mockingbirds. Okay, and so on and so forth. And then Atticus would go in, fill in all of these questions, and take your time. There's no hurry. But then all done, click Submit Assignment. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, I want to submit. Dun, 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 dun. And your document is submitted. And that's all there is to it. And we're done for Wednesday. So thanks for being patient and working through all of these. Have a great day, everyone.